Sewing jeans pockets, the one-piece pocket bag technique. These are the pieces that go together to make the jeans front pockets. The pocket bag, the side front, the pocket facing, and the coin pocket. Here is everything cut out. I have marked the wrong sides with an X. I have also marked the seam lines for the purposes of this video. You wouldn't normally mark it up. This is how the pocket goes together. The coin pocket goes here. The pocket is folded with the pocket facing sewn to the jeans front. This is my demonstration garment in calico. I have sewn the fly zip, see my earlier video, and I am going to add a right front pocket with the coin pocket. Firstly, I'm going to stitch these two pieces onto the pocket bag, wrong sides together, along the lower edges only. Trim the seam allowances of the lower edge on the side front and the pocket facing back to 1/4 inch and neaten with either a zigzag stitch or overlock. Pin the side front and the pocket facing in place onto the pocket bag. Wrong sides together. And machine stitch the lower edges. That's done. Turn over and trim away the pocket bag fabric just on the pocket facing side, leaving a 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch turning. Be careful here, you are only trimming the pocket bag, not the denim. Fold the raw edge in to neaten. Use the yarn for this. And then stitch along the fold. That makes a neat finish for the front of the pocket bag. Now for the coin pocket. Trim the coin pocket seam allowance. We don't need 5/8 inch. Press a double hem along the top edge and do a double row of top stitching. Press in the other edges and pin in place onto the side front. Check the position in relation to this edge, which is the pocket opening. Top stitch the coin pocket in place, stitching whatever sort of style you have chosen for the sides of the openings. Pin the pocket bag to the jeans front, right sides together. joining the pocket opening with the pocket facing. The notches should match up. Once stitched, clip the curve. Turn through. Once pressed, top stitch the pocket edge. With the stitching done, the pocket will be folded like so. Next, we stitch the lower edge of the pocket bag. For a neat finish, we fold the pocket right sides together. Stitch along the lower edge with a narrow turning. Turn through, press and stitch again, enclosing the turning. With that done, we have a nice, neat edge to the pocket bag. Pin the pocket to the front at the side seams and at the waistline, and stitch within the seam allowance to hold everything in place for the next stage. Make sure you line up the seam lines and notches carefully here, as the pattern allows for some ease, making the pocket opening stand away slightly from the jeans front. With the stitching done, the pocket is secured in place, and we can move on to the next stage of the construction. On these jeans, it will be the inside leg seam. Download my ebook to follow all the stages for making great jeans. Making great jeans is about finding good techniques that work on a domestic sewing machine. Always use a heavy-duty needle, a jeans or denim needle. For trouble-free top stitching with strong thread, tighten both the top and bottom thread tensions. As with all sewing, press as you go. Pressing is part of the construction process. Download the men's jeans sewing pattern in sizes 26 to 44 featured here, and also the women's jeans sewing pattern in sizes 8 to 22 from angelakane.com. You will find my step-by-step guide to making jeans here on YouTube. Visit my site for all the information about downloading and assembly. I will also be showing you how to sew a jeans style buttonhole, which is nothing like the automatic buttonholes you get on most modern sewing machines. Coming next, another new jeans sewing technique. Apart from these new techniques, my earlier How to Make Jeans video will guide you if you are a novice. Please subscribe to stay in touch, and don't forget to click the like button below. It does wonders for ratings. And thank you very much for watching.